just went through. That probably is.
Cabin 8596, Explorer of the Seas. And here is our maitre d'.
Be our guest. Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test.
This is a balcony.
It's a balcony cabin.
Standard. This is an older ship, but so.
This is the sister ship to the Navigator that we were on in December.
It may look a little dated, but it's
adequate.
comfy.
It's adequate. It's fine.
You have a little bit, a little TV here, and this is
the regular desk areas, drawers, and such.
And this is us, Colin. This is us.
Hey. and these open up. There we go. On the side, so you have some like side cubbies.
And people who wanted to find out what kind of
outlets we have.
This is what you're getting. The international one, and two, the American style. So you have to plug in some stuff, electronics and all.
There isn't any other outlets in the cabin.
I don't see anything in the. It's another storage cabinets.
And no outlets in the bathroom.
There's no outlets in the bathroom. I'm gonna put our toothbrushes out. And this is where you find the safe. All your important documents go in here. And we have a double bed put together. I think this is queen size.
Our excursion tickets were waiting for us.
Our excursion tickets for this trip. We booked 3. These are all just walking kind of stuff.
Okay, so we had our tickets for our shore excursions with Aruba, Curacao, and Haiti.
Nope.
Dominican Republic. Excuse me.
We're not doing anything on Haiti.
Haiti is
Labadee.
Labadee.
So we'll just go there and hang out. So here is the most important part of the room. So he's gonna
just
try to open it.
These doors are good, but they're heavy.
And here is it. It's a good size. I love it that we're next to nothing here. And we have lounge chairs with footstools. And our view of Miami. There we go. Beautiful Miami. head back again so you can see the cabin. And of course our last stop will be the bathroom. Everybody wants to know how the bathroom looks. You have a little couch here. I don't think this is a pull-out couch. Okay, these are some, we can put your clothes on, your clothes, and plenty of hangers. You don't have to bring hangers. We don't anyways, it's just too heavy to bring those hangers. Lots of storage, and we don't have our luggage yet. We're still waiting for it. And here is the bathroom. Standard bathroom for this type of cruise ship.
And if you've noticed, no curtains.
Yes, I think they've rid of the curtains for many years now. You have doors, sliding doors. There you go, that's nice.
And I think the good thing too is that it's tall enough for an average person to get into with plenty of headspace and plenty of room. I mean, it's not like a spa, but you certainly have good sized room.
There you go. The only thing, yeah, there is no outlets here, and we use electric toothbrush. It needs to be plugged in, so we have to plug it outside. You have two cups here. You have a little bit of room to get your knickknacks in this cabinet. Okay, and you'll see the throne of thrones. There you go. That's it. That's the entire room, 8596. And this is us.
So stick around as we sail for another adventure to the Caribbean.
This is we Southern Caribbean. 8 days. Explore the seas.
So until later, happy sailing.
Bye.
Bye.